Yavakrita's learning. Yavakrita was the son of a Brahmana called Bharadwaj who had a friend, another Brahmana named Rebhya, with two sons, Paravasu and Arvavasu. Yavakrita was jealous that people had more respect for Rebhya than for his father. He prayed to Indra to become the most learned man in the world. Again and again, Indra would appear before him, pleased with his prayers and his penance. Each time Yavakrita made the same request, Indra told him that learning could not be got through penance, but only through study. One day, Yavakrita saw an old man near a river, throwing handfuls of sand into the water. On asking him what he was doing, he said that he was building a bridge. Yavakrita laughed at him, saying he was wasting time. The old man changed into Indra and told him his penance was a waste of time too. Medhavi's pride. Yavakrita began to study and soon became known for his knowledge and learning. His father, Bharadwaj, warning him against vanity, told him Medhavi's story. Sage Baladi, grieving for his dead son, did penance to get a son who would never die. The gods told him that everyone dies, but he could ask for the period for which he wanted his son to live. Baladi asked that his son should live as long as the mountain before him. The gods blessed him, and so Medhavi was born. Medhavi knew all about the boon, so he became very vain and conceited. He was safe as long as the mountain was there. One day he insulted sage Dhanushaksa, who cursed him to turn into ashes. But the curse was ineffective. The sage, recalling the boon to Medhavi, turned himself into a bull and butted the mountain till it broke. With its collapse, Medhavi died. Yavakrita's death. Thus, warning him against pride, Bharadwaj told his son to show proper respect to Rebhya. Heedless of the warning, one day Yavakrita attacked the beautiful daughter-in-law of Rebhya. When Rebhya heard of it, he created a beautiful maiden and a demon and asked them to kill Yavakrita. The beautiful maiden went up to Yavakrita, who was doing a yagna, and ran away with the water jug. The demon came to attack him with a spear. Yavakrita could not recite mantras without washing himself, but the water jug was missing. He ran for his life, but the demon finally killed him. Suddenly he realized that Yavakrita had died because of his own sins. I should not have cursed Rebhya, thought the sage. Unhappy and guilty, he chose to die. Rebhya's sons. Rebhya's learned sons, Puravasu and Arvavasu, were invited to the palace of King Brihadyumna to perform a great sacrifice. Puravasu had to return to the ashrama for a while. He saw something move and shot it with an arrow. It turned out that he had killed not an animal but his own father. As a result of Bharadwaj's curse, he returned to the sacrifice and told his brother what had happened. Arvavasu said, "You perform the sacrifice. I will go and perform father's last rites and do the penance for your having killed him." Puravasu, jealous of his brother, told everyone that Arvavasu had killed his father. Arvavasu denied his brother's lies, but no one believed him. Being not only learned but also virtuous, he did penance and asked the gods to take away his anger and to bring his father to life again. So his brother's sins were washed off.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.